Hi guys, kumusta ninyong tanan? Ang akong kantahon day karon kay Nonstop Karaoke. So, start na ta. Love song na siya guys. Love songs. I recall when you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you were leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you won't say, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you today. And if into my dream you'll come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Then you left without even saying that you were leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you will say, but then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And if into my dreams you come and touch me once again, I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you come and touch me once again, I just keep on dreaming till my heart expands. Keep on dreaming till my heart ang next song kay paano siya murag Love Moves. Anong title niya? Sama na to. Who'd have thought this is how the pieces fade? You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we are reason, but I don't know what they are. So blame it on my heart. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways, guys. It's always so surprising how love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery. Oh, how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. We make plans, but in love demand a leap of faith. So hold me close and never ever let me go. Even though we think we know which way the river flows, that's not the way love goes. No, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Like the ticking of the clock, two hearts beat as one. But I'll never understand the way it's done. Oh, love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Love moves in mysterious ways. Ang next song kay Murag, How Did You Know? Remember so well the day that you came into my life. You've asked for my name. You had a most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side, makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Next song is Having You Near Me. This is the last song, I think. I came to you and never asked too much, wondering what you would say, hoping you'd understand it's not a role I usually play. Don't speak too much and what's been gone. The past is over and gone. Giving you trouble, mind, you know it's used. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's so right having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right. Brave to say that you get lost in love, but you open your heart to me. Under it all you feel, you know how deep a love could be. Tonight we'll touch until it's time to go, and I'm leaving it up to you. Even a fool would know that I'm not true. I can do so much for you. I want you, having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright having you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right, feels so right.